All right, quick video of doing an oil change on a GMC Canyon. This is the second generation. Pretty simple. Follow your manual, you'll be fine. If you're not smart, they've got a lot of help you out notes everywhere. So there you go. There's your viscosity rating for oil that you need to use right on the oil cap. You need two tools. 15 mil socket, that'll get the drain plug off. One of these is helpful for your oil filter removal. These are, I don't know, $3 or something. Not that expensive, totally worth it. If you're in a bind, you can use a ratchet strap. There's your oil filter for wicks. And yeah, follow your manual, you'll be fine. The one thing to note is this thing's got a timer in it, so you're probably going to want to go reset that, and what it does is it just has like a change oil light that comes on the dash. Go in your manual, tells you how to deal with it. Okay, careful ends they don't drop it in the oil pan. If you do, not a big deal, just go fishing. Oh, just let that drain. Okay, we're at the oil filter, got our wrench on, a little awkward. Secondary catch basin, it's got this little drip diversion tray, so I'll just loosen it off. Try not to smash your knuckles too bad. So yeah, just spin that off, set it aside, and then have a beer break. Okay, so give that outside sealing surface a quick wipe down, get all the dirt off there. Two things that kill an engine, dirt and heat. So if you can avoid the dirt, all the better. Here's the new one. Just throw a little oil on the O-ring. Just like that, and we're doing that so it doesn't stick on there when you go to get it off next time. And then do your best to get it up in here without getting things dirty. Sneak her on and read the instructions on your oil filter. It'll tell you how many turns from seat. I don't know, there's directions there. It says something. It's like a 1 turn or 3/4 of a turn. So yeah, there we are. And we'll give it 3/4 of a turn so you can kind of see where that mark is. So we're about halfway. So basically up here, where my finger is, that's 3/4. So I can just see where they're. I don't know if I can see the symbol up there, but trust me, it's 3/4. It's right here. Okay, another important step, we're going to put our drain plug back in. Keep the oil in it after we add it in. Just clean it up, put your plug in. And you want to go all gorilla torquing this down. It doesn't need a heck of a lot. This is steel, this is aluminum. Aluminum's softer, steel's harder, so steel's gonna strip that out. So I just need to give it enough. So like when it seats, maybe a 1/4 turn, that's all it needs. All right, we're seated there. Good enough. Ain't going nowhere. Okay, put your oil in. Calls for 4.7 liters. I'm using a funnel. You don't need one. You can cut the top off an oil jug. That also makes a good funnel. Should see how much was in this. One liter. Perfect. Let's see, it's right at the line. And that's it. It's a good idea to fire it up, check your oil, and then you might need to top it up once it charges the oil filter.